Today I will show you how to cook crumbly rice. This secret goes back to Vedic times, and in India, rice was cooked in this way thousands of years ago. Now you can see the ruins of an abandoned temple in Vrindavan. What a sophisticated patterns decorate these walls. It feels like this whole ornament is carved on the surface of butter, although it's not even wood. These walls are made of stone. It is very difficult to imagine how people of antiquity, using only a chisel and a hammer, could create such beautiful filigree patterns. In the modern world, many technologies of the past have been lost, but the knowledge of how to cook delicious crumbly rice has come down to us. Today I will share this secret with you. Put a frying pan on the fire. The pan should have a thick bottom and a tight-fitting lid. Heat 3-4 tablespoons of oil. Better if you use a cow butter or ghee, but you can also use vegetable oil. Add rice and fry it. This is a preliminary step. Rice should warm up and soak in oil, then the grains will not stick together. For this recipe, grains should be dry, so if you wash it with water, then dry thoroughly. Basmati or jasmine rice can go without preliminary washing. When the rice is fried, we add salt and pour hot water. For 1 part of rice, we take little less than 2 parts of water. Proportions of rice and water are very important. If there is too little water, the rice will be dry. If there is too much water, the rice will stick together. Cover with the lid and reduce heat to a minimum. An important note is, rice should not be stirred. Cook for 15 minutes on low heat. To check whether it's ready, just make a hole in the middle. If there is no water at the bottom, take a grain and crush it between your fingers. If it's soft, then it's ready. If grain is still solid, add a little bit of water and cook for 5 minutes more. When rice is ready, gently mix it. Voila! We got fragrant, crumbly rice and grains that do not stick together. I wish you pleasant cooking. In the meantime, subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell so as not to miss new recipes. It was Manjari from Vrindavan. See you soon.